Hello. This subject is about finishing off the fishing rod that I fixed up in the previous video on the fishing rod. So, to summarize what happened last time, for those who haven't watched the video, we repaired this fishing rod, and what we did is we put a piece of wood here. This is not just a normal dove. If you can look at the problem there, see here. I'm sure you can see that in the camera. Okay. So this is a special dove found in some water lakes, and it's very much like weed, but strong weed and flexible weed. It flexes, okay, not too much, but it flexes like a fishing rod. It's not like the ones in the shop, okay. So we put that through there and drilled two holes, one there and one there, and put rope. Two little holes were drilled. Put strong rope, the string around there, and tied it. Now to finish this off is you can get some paint, for example, and paint that black and this, and it'll look a lot more like the original thing. Not 100%, but a lot more better it'll look. But we want quality, quality, not quantity. In other words, we want it to be. This is strong enough as it is, and this will do the job. But we want it a little bit better, stronger. So we're going to put tape on it. I don't care about the looks. I want the fishing rod to work 100%. Okay? Because all I want to do is fishing. I don't care about how my fishing rod looks like. If you do care about that, you need to paint it, but it's not going to be. It's going to be strong, but it's not going to be secured. That is, it's not guaranteed. With this, it'll be guaranteed even more. Okay, so we get the tape, and if I can open it, that is, if I can get it going. Okay, so we come in here and be generous with this tape. Okay. Okay, so we might cut a piece about so much. And this tape is not just any tape, this is a very strong tape. For those who know that tape, this is very strong and it's not going anywhere. Okay, it's not going to break or anything. As long as you've got the piece of wood there, the wood will help. There is that weed thing there. So we might just bring this here, a bit out of this. Around here, and just bring this, starting from here, coming around, and 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 just push it in like this. Should be fine now, and we'll get another one. Okay. Just to make it a bit tighter. And there you have it. Now this will hold for I don't know how long, but it should be very good now. Okay. Thank you for listening and watching. Like I said, it doesn't bother me for myself about how it looks. That there's tape here. If it bothered me, I'll paint it instead. But I want the tape here so it can be strong and flexible, a lot more flexible. Thank you for listening, and God be with each and every one of you.